Hello and welcome to the LTS channel. I'm Joel and today we're going step by step to show you how to install the Pro X indoor PTZ camera. First, let's take a look at what's inside the box. We have the Pro X indoor PTZ camera itself, followed by the installation template, screws and anchors, foam dampener, weatherproof cable housing, and the safety tether. Now, let's get started with the installation. Step 1. For easy alignment, place the installation template in your desired location. Remove the protective film from the foam dampener and place the adhesive side onto the back mounting plates. Step 3. Align the back mounting plate to the installation template and screw it in. Step 4. Connect the PoE cables together. Step 5. Place the camera onto the back mounting plate and twist it into place. Step 6. Secure the camera in place by tightening the locking screw on the side of the camera. Next, let's go over how to install the optional micro SD card. Step 1. Remove the 4 screws from the camera housing. Step 2. On the rear of the camera, remove the SD card cover and insert your micro SD card. Step 3. Hold the reset button for 10 seconds. Step 4. Reattach the SD card cover and camera housing. And there you have it. Your Pro X camera is installed and ready to go. Now you can enjoy advanced human detection, auto tracking, and an impressive 25 times optical zoom, allowing you to capture fine detail even from a distance. Thanks so much for watching, and consider subscribing for the latest updates on all LTS solutions. Until next time.